Hello students, welcome. Welcome to maths class. We were discussing exercise 11.3. In that first three questions I discussed. Now I am going to discuss a fourth question onwards. So what is your fourth question? Exercise 11.3 service. 11.3 fourth question. What is that one? Tan A is equal to cot B. Then prove that A and B are acute angles. Prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, I'll take different questions. If sin A is equal to cos B, then prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Where A and B are acute angles. A comma B are acute. A comma B are acute. Here they given tan A tan B are you do yourself. Just I change the functions. So trigonometric function I change here. Sin A is equal to cos B they given. So here function different and angles also different. So I can't write its complementary. I don't know exactly what is its complementary because they are not numerical angles. So when they are not numerical angles, same angle you try to subtract here 90 degrees minus A means A's complementary is 90 minus A. Okay, 90 minus A is complementary. So when you are subtracting A from 90, then automatically here function will change like previous I discussed here. Then cos B is equal to cos B. Cos cancel. Cos functions are equal to condition is there. Obviously angles also equal. 90 degrees minus A is equal to B. 90 degrees is equal to B plus A. In the same way, tan also is there. Do it yourself, sir. Sin A is equal to cos B. Since sin cos here A, here B angle, but between equal to is there to make them equal here. So from 90 degrees, I am subtracting A itself. I am not subtracting complementary of A. A itself only you are subtracting. When you are subtracting A itself from 90, then function will change sin into as a cos because cos 90 minus A is sin A again. Is equal to cos B. Now functions cos denominator is cos same equal to z. So obviously angles also equal. 90 minus A is equal to B. 90 is equal to B plus A. 90 is equal to B plus A. Okay. Next. Next question is there is in terms of tan they given sir. I'll take different one. In terms of sin I'll take sin and cos. There tan and cot they discussed. Fifth question: if A, B, C are the angles of a triangle, if A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that they given tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. But I am proving here, I am going to prove here sin of A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. Okay. If A, B and C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC of a triangle ABC of a triangle ABC, then prove that sin of A plus C by 2 is equal to cos B by 2. They given tans are, I took sin and cos. They given tan and cot. A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, then prove that sin of A plus cos b by 2. See here what they given here. Given are a comma b and c are angles of triangle ABC, interior angles. Interior angles of triangle ABC. Means I know the procedure, I know this is angle sum property of triangle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. This angle sum properties are here. In this angle sum property, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Right hand side, what angle I require here? B by 2 I require. B I require here. Okay. So from this one, B transpose to right side, because I require B angle is at right side only now. A plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus B. Okay. Now divide by 2, because I need 2 no. Divide by 2. Then what will get here? A plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus B by 2. Now this can be written as A plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus B by 2. We can split this one separate, sir. Numerator and numerators we can split it. A plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus B by 2. 180 by 2 means 90 minus B by 2. Since left hand side I required to do sine. So apply sine on both sides. Apply sine on both sides here. Apply sine function here, sir. Okay, sine function. Sine of A plus C by 2 is equal to sine of 90 degrees minus B by 2. Okay. Sine of A plus C by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus B by 2. Here angles are given. To the angles I applied sine function. So sine of A plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus theta is a cos theta. Cos theta means B by 2. Hence I proved it. Okay. Sir, here only by 2 we can take, no sir, after that also you can subtract. Yes, you can do it. You understand. Okay, given is A, B, C are the three interior angles. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A plus C is equal to 180 minus B I wrote because I required right hand side B. So A plus C is equal to 180 minus B. Now divide by 2. Divide by 2 because by 2 I require now A plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus B by 2. A plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus B by 2. That is A plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus B by 2. Apply sine on both sides. Sine of A plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus B by 2. That is a sine A plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus theta is a cos theta. So cos B by 2. Please write down. Okay. Now in the same question, in terms of tan also there. Do yourself, sir. Textual problem, textual question is in terms of tan is there. In terms of tan is there in textbook. So do it yourself. Okay. Express sine 75 degrees and plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of the angles between 0 and 45 degrees. That was the sixth question. Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios. T ratios means trigonometric ratios, sir. Ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. 0 and 45 degrees. What are given here? Sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Now sin 75 degrees I write as a sin of 90 minus 15 degrees I write, sir. 90 minus 15 is 75. Plus cos of 65 can be written as a 90 minus 25 degrees. This is equal to sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta, cos 15 degrees plus cos 90 minus theta is a sin theta, sin 25 degrees. Here trigonometric functions and between 0 degrees and 45 degrees only I proved here. Okay? Okay, write this one. The next question I discuss. Next one, cos 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6 degrees. Then find next question. If cos 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6 degrees, then find tan 12a, where 7a is acute angle. Tan 5a, where 7a is an acute. Once again, see that cos 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6 degrees, where then find tan 5a, where 7a is an acute angle. See here, cos 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6 degrees. Here binomial, here monomial, 7a is. And here cos, here sin. But between equal to is there. Means I have to subtract from 90 minus the given value. Either this or this. Here binomial is there. So I will have this one only. So 90 degrees minus 7a. Same angle, given angle only you are subtracting from 90. So obviously this cos becomes as a sin. Because sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta. Cos theta means cos 7a. Same you will get. Okay. So 7a you are subtracting. Given angle only when you are subtracting from 90, then change the function. Trigonometric function is equal to sin of a minus 6 degrees. Is equal to sin of a minus 6 degrees. Now functions are same, t ratio is same, is equal to there. So obviously angles also equal. So 90 degrees minus 7a is equal to a minus 6 degrees. Now variables and constants, separate that. 90 plus 6 is equal to a plus 7a. Now 96 degrees is equal to 8a. 96 degrees is equal to 8a. So 8 1 jars, 8 12 jars. A is equal to 12 degrees. But I don't require a exactly. What I require, tan 5a is required. Tan 5a is equal to tan of 5 into 12. That is equal to tan of 6 degrees. 12 5 is 60. 60 sir, not 6. 12 5 is 60. 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees value is root 3. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. Okay? Please write down. Next. Evaluate sin 15 degrees plus sin 75 degrees cos 15 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. See here, sin 15 degrees plus sin 75 degrees by cos 15 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. To evaluate here, I don't have the cancellation here, not possible sir here. So either numerator you change into denominator what functions we have in that way, or denominator you change into a numerator. Convenient purpose I will change the numerator only. This is write as a sin of 90 degrees minus 75 degrees I write sir. Plus again here also sin 75 degrees I write as a sin 75 degrees as it is again. By in denominator also already here I am going to convert now. Now sin of cos of 90 degrees minus 75 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. Now cos 90 minus sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta, cos 75 degrees plus sin 75 degrees. Cos 90 minus theta is a sin 75 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. This total will cancel sir. X plus y, y plus x cancel. 1 will be the answer. Okay. With this exercise 11.3 completed sir. In case any doubts are there, additional problems from other than textual problems I'll send you separate through websites. Okay. Thank you.